So there are many of them, so please ask questions to our presenters, please, lady.
Sir, my question is that Pakistan's foreign direct investment FDI is in a free fall, and we Pakistanis have been witnessing this depletion since 2 decades now. And in the past, the countries which were in contrast way less developed than us are actually being linchpins of capital investment now. And what could be a better example than Bangladesh? The reason behind our this depletion could be the dips between our political parties, or the short-term economic policies, or maybe the breaking news of the COVID-19. Coming back to the question, I would like to ask, with this crashing of FDI, what would encourage the Polish investors to invest in our country in the future?
Would you like me to highlight the responsibility of Polish in one area? Yes, ma'am. Actually, there are not too much Polish citizens now who are living here. They actually migrated at the time of World War II. But then, after that, they actually are, settled in some other parts of the world. But the thing is, the majority, the responsibility lies on how the majority में होते हैं, तो ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी होती है to take care of the minority who are living in your country. So the thing is, you have to ask yourself that how you can take care of the different nationalities who are living here in this region, in this country, in this city. So we should ask this question to ourselves, I think. Am I right?
Madam, our question is concerning about if Pakistan is just to buy the cheapest oil from Russia as well as previous government and the present government is planning to generally visit and get a low price of the cheapest oil. Did you have what is the impact of Polish and Pakistan relation? As well as one other question is that in our steel plant is the layoff or shut down or demolished. You have a largest plant of steel technology. Have you interested in this regard and future plan to rehabilitate or functioning in this plant? Thank you very much. You just reply.
So, as a whole, I can express my feelings from my state, because I'm not representing the government. But obviously, there are two problems. First of all, we are supporting Ukraine, and we agree that buying resources, crude oil and so on from Russia is supporting the war, because Russia is earning money and they can spend it on military purposes. But contrary, I also know that the countries, developing countries like Pakistan, needs cheap resources, because simply one cannot afford to pay more than that. We are suffering in Poland skyrocketing prices of our petrol stations. So I think your agreement with Russia, according to that oil, will not affect our future relations with Pakistan at all. Because we understand the reason. Okay, so please another questions.
Second question.
There was persons downstairs. Those guys downstairs. So, lady, please.
Assalam, sir. This is me, Shazia Khan from Urdu University IR department, 2nd semester. Can you highlight the important role and responsibilities of people of Poland who are living in Pakistan, their role between Pakistan and foreign relations?
Okay, sir. So my question is that, as you said, my question is that it is being said that Polish is joined the CPEC. So don't you think there will be a problematic situation for the Poland by joining the CPEC? As we know that China is a trade partner of Russia, and there is only conflict between Ukraine and Russia.
It is to me or to somebody else.
Sir, Dr. Afridi is requested to you.
Okay, so Dr. Afridi's question is to you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I don't think so that there can be conflict between Russia and China. China and Russia, they are cooperating in many fields. Even we can see Central Asia, if there is political influence of Russia, but on the other hand, economically, China is the strongest one, and energy politics is also there. Both countries, they are also the founding members of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So what I think, on many fronts and in many areas, there are similarities between China and Russia. Yeah, there can be a kind of, some very few issues, and those can be globally. As far as the question of the regional integration is concerned, and CPEC in particular and BRI, that is in general, I think there can be no issue for Russia, and even there pose an advantage to Russia if Poland joins CPEC in broader context, I mean to utilize BRI through the linkage of CPEC. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Other questions, please? Okay, ma'am, please.
Sir, my question is that Pakistan's foreign direct investment FDI is in a free fall, and the Pakistanis have been witnessing this depletion since 2 decades now. And in the past, the countries which were in contrast less developed than us are actually being linchpins of capital investing now, and what could be a better example than Bangladesh? The reason behind our this depletion could be the difference between our political parties, or the short-term economic policies, or maybe the breaking loose of the COVID-19. Coming back to the question, I would like to ask, with this crushing of FDI, what would encourage the foreign investors to invest in our country in the future?
Dr. Fifty is requested to please reply.
Please, to which product is your question?
Or it could be this: if we have good, economic structure, if we are having, politically stable economy, political stability, because with the passage of time, each and every government usually changes its economic policies and all that. Actually, it's very important to have a stable, homogeneous economy, economic framework to make it that. The other thing is that you have to show yourself that you're a peaceful-based nation. You have to be, in harmony with your neighbors. In that particular way, you can promote yourself as peace-loving, as a modern nation that is welcoming, welcoming, and we want to have more industries here. We want to have, we want to serve the different nations there. In this particular way, we can have, we can boost our economy. We can have more people here. We can, enjoy this type of relationship.
Thank you so much. Session chair is requested to please conclude the session. Sir, please conclude the session.